Election Commission is set up by the President under Article 324 of the Indian Constitution. It is permanent and independent body that directs and controls elections of Parliament, State Legislature, Office of President, Office of Vice President. Election Commission is assisted by Deputy Election Commissioners. They are drawn from civil service and appointed with the tenure system. At the state level, Commission is assisted by Chief Electoral Officer. He is appointed by Chief Election Commissioner with consultation of state government. At district level, Collector acts as a district returning officer. He appoints returning officer for every constituency and presiding officer for every polling booth. Composition of Election Commission. Article 324 made following provisions with regard to the composition. First, it must consist of Election Commissioner and other election commissioners. President may decide numbers time to time. Second, they are appointed by President. Third, when other election commissioner appointed, Chief Election Commissioner act as the chairman. Fourth, President may appoint regional commissioners with consultation of Election Commission. Fifth, service conditions and tenure of election commissioners and regional commissioners determined by President. Chief Election Commissioner and other two election commissioners have equal power. They receive equal salary and allowances and other perquisites similar to judges of Supreme Court. In case of differences in opinion, matter decided by majority. They hold office for 6 years or up to the age of 65 years. Powers and functions of Election Commission. First, determine election constituencies. Second, prepare and revise electoral rolls and register voters. Third, notify dates and schedules of election. Fourth, grant recognition to parties and alert symbols. Fifth, act as a court for settling disputes. Sixth, appoint officers for incurring disputes of electoral arrangements. Seventh, determine code of conduct. 8. Prepare rosters for publicity. 9th, advise President on matters related to the disqualifications of members of Parliament. 10th, advise Governor on matters related to the disqualifications of members of State Legislature. 11th, cancel polls in case of rigging, booth capturing, violence and other irregularities. 12th, request President or Governor for requisitioning staff. 13. Supervise machinery to ensure free and fair elections. 14th. Advise President elections can be held under President's rule to extend period of emergency after 1 year. 15th. Register political parties. Independence of Election Commission. Article 324 made following provisions to ensure independent and impartial functioning of Election Commission. First, Chief Election Commissioner cannot be removed except same grounds as a judge of Supreme Court. Second, service conditions of Chief Election Commissioner cannot be varied. Third, any other election commissioner or a regional commissioner cannot be removed except on recommendation of Chief Election Commissioner. Still some flaws are there. First, Constitution not prescribe qualification of members. Second, Constitution not specified term of members. Third, Constitution not debarred retiring election commissioners from any further appointment.